I'm here. I didn't like forget to. I didn't forget about my own stream or anything like that. I didn't forget anything like that. I definitely have everything prepared. Let me just find a random background. I got a background somewhere around here. Where's this background? Give me 1 second. I didn't forget anything. Don't worry. Oh. Don't worry. Nothing was forgotten. Don't worry. Look at that background. That's very professional right there. That's a pretty professional background. I need background music. Why did I need to have more than these 2 songs for background music. I probably should have made a whole different scene for this, but can I duplicate this scene? Duplicate. Blah, blah, blah. Making toggles. Okay, we should start deleting things now. Now this is a separate scene. We can start deleting things, I think. Actually, let me... If I delete that here, and I go over here, it is not deleted. Okay, good. Okay, I'll delete that. There are so many things on my main scene. This was poorly thought out. What is this? Oh, that's still there. I should get rid of... What's this on my OBS? Just a second. Pizza's my passion. No, not that. Get rid of that. No, get rid of that. We can keep chat. Get rid of those for a little less clutter. What is this thing? I don't know what it is. But it's going. I'm deleting it. I think it was text. Evangelion, domestic abuse. There's the other things. Oh, okay, I found it. I'm trying to find where the slurs list is now. Oh, it's under this. What? It's in front of the Vtube. I have no clue where that thing is. Right. Unlock. Oops. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We're taking all the things off. Oh, it is behind me. Text. I found it. Alright. This is all you need. This is all you need. This is all you need. I'm gonna find different music. I need different music. Finally, you can get membership / super chats and raid. Yeah, oh yeah, no, I passed it. Whoa! Yippee! I can take a screenshot of it. I can take several screenshots of the page. Let's go! Wait, just say it. Where's my chat? Jeez. Hi, Reflies. Hi, Res. Hi, Seki. Hi, Warlord. Hi, Ghost. Okay, now it's now to unsubscribe. You sure it's your passion, lol? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I'm very not smart. What do you mean by that? You'd explain. I need different Dova syndrome's music. I'm using this one. No, I shan't. No. Description is saying you're. Gosh dang it! I forgot to change things on the description. I swear I changed the description. Wait. Where is... Oh, the game. I forgot to change from gaming. What? I don't even know what category. Entertainment? I'll just entertainment. Save. There we go. Bro, yeah, it's his passion. If Edit could think of a way to stream in his sleep, he would. So when are you playing Okami? You can't leave us hanging like that. I don't know. Check the description again. Check again. It was never there. Give me 1 second. I don't know what you're talking about. The comment was never in the description. There you go. Again. Next. I hate two-step verification. I'm just doing this so I can look at chat easier. So how many chat toggles? Unlimited chat toggles. Pumsy, hi Sora. Okay, now I can actually check in my OBS the studio. I definitely was ready for this, and definitely not scrambling to get a different song because I don't think this one fits for this. Hey, Bush. I wish this was longer than 30 seconds. How are you? I'm doing good. I'm gonna make toggles in a second. Oh my gosh. I feel like this one would be terrible, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So what are you doing for your 500 sub celebration? Karaoke. I forgot about that. Karaoke. I need to actually practice some songs for karaoke. Okay, this... Yes. Don't practice, make chat suffer for its many sins. Yes! Yes! What you would not believe your eyes. On a scale of decent to absolute ideas, what are you looking for? Really anything. I mean, I can shoot you down, like terribly shoot you down if it's like really bad. If it's absolutely horrid, I can just tell you. Generally, I could do a bunch of ideas that, like if it's a color idea, I can do like multiple, but generally I'm trying not to do a bunch of stuff that overlaps. Okay, where's the BGM here? BGM. Properties. Quick. Oh gosh. Plug. I like this. I like this so much. So no maid outfit toggle. Danny. Oh, so you're saying no, none to that because I already have the maid command, right? Oh, did I forgot to connect my stuff. Good thing I tested. I hate how this gets disconnected all the time. Okay, if I do maid again, it's gonna toggle it off. It's not gonna do anything visually besides the glow. Okay, why is that not? Something's wrong here. That's still working. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. Have you tried HTMLing the blockchain? But yeah, since I already have the made, this thing as a made stuff, I'm not gonna have that within. I probably won't do anything outfit-wise. I'll keep outfits as their own thing. Converts are more aesthetic styling, or nods to different characters. Alright, what do you guys have? What do you guys have for ideas? I'm creatively bankrupt, so I need ideas. A tail toggle. Well, I would just have a tail normally. This thing doesn't come with a tail, and weirdly, this didn't come with the tail. The original non-pixel chibi thing has a tail, this one doesn't. I guess they just didn't really know how to do it with pixelation, and if I were to add a tail to this, it'd need to be pixelated as well, so I'm not exactly sure how I would do that. I'm not really sure how I'd do that. I don't think there's any assets I can find for pixelated tails. So sadly, I can't do that. I would have done that no, I probably wouldn't have done that a long time ago. I'm really lazy, but I probably would have done that at some point. Go to expression editor. What's one I have, and I have not set it to do the convert thing because I just do not. Oh, I don't like how it. I have this one. It doesn't look too bad. The problem is. It kind of has to immediately swap to the different colors, at least for the skin. I think I have to make everything swap immediately, because the skin has to swap immediately. Because if I go to skin tone, here is normal skin tone. The change between the light and blue just looks weird. If it's like smooth, it looks really weird. But I could add that as one of the converts. Also, SAMMI might crash. Yeah, SAMMI crashed right there. Give me 1 second. Blue Fox. I'm gonna add that as one of the converts. Oh wait, do you know what I could do? It's probably not the best idea, but one thing I could do, which will make doing these converts, it might be lazy, but doing these converts will be a lot easier because I don't have to add it to the toggle thing every time. Because I've said I turn off every toggle. When it expires or someone uses the default, I turn off every toggle. If I go into the expression editor, go to my main one, red fox, blue fox, red fox, green fox, blah blah. If I just I set skin tone. I don't don't think I need to set these, but I will. In case one thing we can do for a convert. Actually, you don't see it because my Vtube Studio is not showing my options because I'm using Spout. But I'm setting all the different parameters to be selected. That way, whenever if I toggle the main toggle, make it looks like this. If I turn it off and turn it back on, it should overwrite literally everything. I just need to make sure I'm not doing that for anything that's physics based. What's hair length side? Doesn't do anything. Literally doesn't do anything for my model. I'm literally just turning on nearly every single toggle on this model here. I need to make sure I'm not toggling the close thing though. We don't turn on hair accent. We're making toggles. You can turn on horn because that's not going to be. Turn on. Yeah. This sounds like something that will get copyrighted in the future. I don't know. I don't even have my different hair sliders set because white is the default. OMG, hi Pascal. Hello, maybe I'll get squishier Sam. Animal ear, set those. I don't have to eye mask colors, select those. Anything I have that can be visible on this model needs to have its color selected. And anything I don't have needs the option for like glasses. I have that not selected. I need to have it selected and set to 0. How come some music loud but I miss anything chat? Oh, is the music too loud? Should I turn it down a little bit? Glove. There's gloves for this. I think gloves would fall under outfit, so I don't actually need to mess with that. Outfit. Outfit. There are also other cool things. I think if I just do Control Alt C, I don't remember the command. I think I can't toggle them right now. We have like this, tablet mode, cat mode, expression, glasses on off. Oh, interesting. I think I've gotten most of... I think I've gotten most of the expressions done. Maybe an eye patch? I could do that through a item object thing. Actually, let me check to see if there is any eye things. Alright, symmetry. Okay. Oh, I already have that selected, so I don't need to change the colors. Grochu Mark's glasses would be cool. Okay, let me look that up. Is the music volume good? Okay, I see what you mean by the glasses. Maybe. Okay, I think that's everything selected. Their accent? Oh yeah, that counts as outfit. That goes in outfit, so I'm not gonna mess with that. Does that include clips? Oh no, I have those all. I have the X and Y of them set? Okay, I see. Okay, that's good. Now, if I toggle that expression over on top of everything, it's going to completely overwrite everything else. I'm not looking forward to this possibly breaking everything and I have to add it back in. I'm deleting all of these. Okay. Save that. Go to revert. Actually, we can keep revert how it is right now. Convert blue. Convert edit. Okay. It completely overwrites it. We're good. We're good. Let's do the same thing. Same thing here. Okay, so technically, if I turned off this, I still have blue underneath it. I don't think that's a problem. That shouldn't be any sort of problem. If I do convert leaf, convert edit, and I turned off the main toggle, it just leaf under it. I don't think that causes any problem. I'll probably have like a billion converts underneath my main convert and main toggle, but that's fine. I don't think that causes problems. Famous last words when I have 5 billion toggles on constantly. I think technically I'm just gonna accumulate every toggle being on constantly all the time, but just not visible. Probably not the best thing, but it makes it easier to add these though. Okay, we should add an expression. Create expression. Accessory. I don't have any eye patch things. What we could do interesting. It did not like me doing that. IR. It lags a lot when I do that. Alright. What we can do, we could make a toggle that changes specifically one eye. I don't have any good ideas for this though. I feel like this is something I would add to some other edit. Keep your clothes on. That's a 100K goal. I can't. There's nothing I can do with that when I'm making the expression. What expression should I mix next? I don't. Okay, that is a slight issue. That is a slight issue that happens when I get out of the expression editor, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I need to figure out how. I need to look up a video on how to add in a item toggle to expression. Could be worse. Yeah. No, just anytime I'm editing an expression, I just have to toggle my main toggle again. Vtube Studio. Add item to toggle. Okay, so I think eye patch would be easier because I need to make it pixel. Let me add my paint program as something you can see right now. Okay, I see why that was doing that. I don't... The captures... Wait, I should probably not use game capture. I probably should just use window capture. Why do you literally see nothing on? Huh? Wait. What? OBS? Oh, that one works. And change the capture message and works. I hate this capture method. It makes a yellow box around everything, but it works. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shrink this down. No. Nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor. This isn't gonna be perfect. But as long as that's okay, that's good. Right there. Right there is pretty close. So we're gonna draw we're gonna draw over this. What kind of eye patch? It needs to, it's gonna have to go a little bit over because of how the tracking goes. I don't know where exactly I'm gonna be able to pin this. I should probably look at a reference of a eye patch before I do this. But I'm not gonna. Okay. This is a little wonky, but I realized what I didn't do on one side I did on the other. Actually, we don't have to go this far. As long as it looks like it's attaching somewhere up there, it looks good. Hardness. Where's the bar? And I wish I could select inside of this thing. Oh no, okay, good. I thought it was gonna leak out through the edges of the pixels. Something like this. It looks, oh, it is off center a little bit. This looks even. Oh, no, this has an extra pixel over here. I have an idea. Move this up here, move that down here. Put one of those there. And now it's symmetrical, I think. Okay, this should be a good basic. Okay. I need to check how big a pixel is on my model again. Let me change Vtube model, import model. Give me the folder. This is the texture folder. So we just wanted to see how big one of these pixels are. That is 32 by 32. Mommy, and Jamie's in. So nice pants, thanks. Making toggle things. Do you have any suggestions for toggles? Image resize. 32? I think it should be 32%. Why does not let me do that? punished edit. Let's try 800 times. Oh, 8x8. Image resize 4 times. Oh, I just noticed something. Whoopsie. This should be, yeah, 32. There we go. This should, technically it doesn't need to be all the way to this size, but this is good. Now if we save as material patch, punished edit, save that, I should be able to now toss that into Vtube Studio. Maybe pit smile in the center of the eye patch or something, or in your idiot sticker. I'm confused by the second one. What? Load. Put model in item. That's good. Let's attach the eye now. I'm not sure what it's attached to right now, but it is pretty solid. I think it's just attached to part of the eye. It actually works kind of well. It bounces a little when I close my eyes though. I feel like this is the best we're gonna get, because if I try to attach it to the skin, watch this. If I try to attach it to the skin, it does not track well. I think this is good. Okay, now I think I remember Hoshi saying I need to go to settings, go to model settings. Is it model settings? Customize model. I need to look it up. How to toggle a prop. You want to trigger manual OBS. To trigger manually, OBS has keybinds for this. Under settings, keybind for it. No, not that. Vtube Studio can create an item scene with the item you want, and then create a hotkey to toggle that item scene. Okay, where's item scenes? Vtube Studio item scene. Oh. All currently loaded items, please select one to configure. Okay, apparently I've gotten rid of all the pit smiles. According to this, because there's only one item loaded and it's the eye patch. Select an item scene you want to modify. Oh, create new item scene. Include items. Save. Okay, now it's an item scene. System. I feel like I could do the eye patch a lot better, but this is a good practice for item scene stuff. Expression editor. Wait, no. I create a new hotkey. Hotkey action. Toggle item scene. I think eye patch needs some details in the middle, something like a skull or something so it looks more detailed. Yeah. I'm not a pixel artist. I don't know what to put on it. I'm not good with finer details, so that's why I did a really basic patch. This can always be updated later. Or darker colors so it stands out better compared to the other colors. I don't know if I'm wondering if there's a way for me to update the image later. Toggle item scene. Eye patch. Key combination. Numpad 5. Okay. This is cool and all, but it becomes a problem where oh wait, there is a remove all expressions. Oh. If I make a new item scene, create new item scene, blank, or default, save that, what up, I hate doing work, I hate doing work. You make any interesting chat toggles today? OMG hitbars! Not yet. I'm working on an eye patch. If I'm right, toggle item scene. I'm seeing default. What about a toggle for the hair coming out of your ears? Or a mustache? I don't know. With the hair coming out of the ears, it just looks weirder without them coming out of the ears. I'd be probably more willing to do one where it changes the type of ears. Do bunny ears or something. Or a mustache. It is really hard to pin the mustache. One problem with this chibi model is the face, like texture, basically does not move. So if I pin something to it, it does not move much. It makes it hard to pin things onto it. Do I do that? Okay. Oh, I can select default? Oh, I can select none. Okay, so is it really only toggle? Remove all items from scene. Does that work? So I do this. Okay, that works. Good. Okay. Gosh, I need to move the eye patch a little so it's fully covering up the eye. But yeah, I could do a bunny toggle. I feel like that would work better. That would give a lot more combos. My mind with this whole expressions thing is like torn because there's a bunch of different ways to do this. There is a very singular expression way to do this where you go, oh, there is a convert command that changes the ears. There's a convert command that changes the ears to another thing. There's a convert command that takes away the animal ears and adds elf ears. And then the other thing is thematic, where you have the leaf toggle, or the emo one. The emo one is more just hair and color, where you start mixing them together. Pirate, arr, yar. Okay. I think this works. Eye patch, remove items. Let me change the name to not have a space in it. It's probably not a problem, but I think that's a minor in chat. Where's hide user from channel? I think that's just a random minor in chat. That's not, that's tatters. Okay, I don't really want people just saying a random... Okay, are they referring to someone in chat? I don't like people coming into chat saying He's a full-grown human is the funny thing. Dan is a chat member. Okay. You make a one eye red toggle? I could do that, yes. Oh, Danny Jake. It kind of looked like one of those creepy hi insert name. Hi insert name. Chat messages. I'm gonna join the collab server OpenVC in case anyone wants to join on it. Hi insert banned user. Yeah, that's kind of my that's kind of my my well, prerogative works, but my first response if you're throwing away some like name that someone could have, you just get blah, blah. Okay, so it should work now. So if I go to convert, I'm not sure if I'm toggle. Let's copy this, paste, toggle in here. All right, now if I do. Hi, Nicolas. Good evening, eye patch person. Have you seen edit also? You wouldn't believe this. Okay, that didn't work. Did I not save it? Okay, that didn't work. Okay, is it because expression editor hotkey? It's creating hotkeys. Oh, is there any way to toggle a hotkey then? Send hotkey. No hotkey. Do you authenticate? Yes, I did. Okay, you won't believe this. Okay, maybe it's on cooldown right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Believe what? Give me a second, it's not working. I'm an idiot. Okay, come on. Is that a new command? Okay, that did not work. That shouldn't do that. Okay, no, wait. Let's turn this off, save. This is not working. eye patch elf girl now. I'm trying to make this work. Why is this not working? Oh, I'm an idiot. I got rid of the wrong thing. Save. Okay, I don't think this is gonna do anything. That doesn't do anything. Warning, token missing. Command will not work. What token's missing? Save. Convert. You still have the queue running? Oh, you turned it on last night. I don't think it has anything to do with that. Warning, tokens missing. Ooh, authenticate. Just a second. I'm gonna try authenticating again, even though I don't think there's. How am I toggling things through this when I wasn't authenticated? All right. Remove items. Save. Okay, now convert, edit. It still doesn't work. Oh wait, because I have it selected off. Oh, that's my fault. Now it works. Woo, yay! Convert edit to what? To normal. Okay, copy that. Save. Go to the revert thing. Paste. Now, if we do any item thing, we trigger any items appearing, they will all go away when it reverts. Hi Warlord. Convert. You don't even have points. Okay, so now that works. Now what I can do is save. I can get rid of these. These aren't doing anything. Oh my gosh, good evening, Edit. You won't believe I saw a guy with an eye badge and an elf girl. It's crazy. No, I'm not wearing thigh highs. I'm just a degenerate furry that has furry legs. I'm sorry you had to learn it this way. Oh. What? I accidentally deleted the wrong command. It's fine. Yeah, what's wrong? What's wrong, balls? Gosh, I wish it would be. Okay. What I need to do eventually is to make it so that the thing that determines if it's taking up points is referring to a text file, because that way I could easily change the costs of things. Will the eye patch work with the others? It should. Yeah, no, there's no conflict. Give me 1 second to actually add it though. Copy this. Paste. Oh. Okay, there is one issue. it will be toggling the eye patch. No matter what, it's going to be toggling the eye patch. What's the command for eye patch? I have not added yet. There's not much of a way for me to... Let me check something. Remove all items from scene. I can't so, like how I said the... Oh gosh, why do they do this? So item scenes, you have the option to toggle an item scene. You can't specifically turn the item scene on or turn the item scene off. Actually, let me really quickly test something. Oh, there's load item. No, we don't do that. We're not messing with that. Why did I do this? I just messed up a bunch of... Oh, wait. Cancel. Yes, quit without saving. Go back in. That's fine, that's fine. Copy. Paste here. Did that undo? Okay, I think that still works. Copy. Okay, that should work. Now it is under the command convert eye patch. There we go. So it doesn't really fit so much with having a whole wololo. This is the system I have made is really messy, and I wish I knew how to make it not as messy. Wait. Can I make functions in this? Who are you? What have you done with edit eye patch, man? Evil things. I've done evil things. Okay, let me look really quickly. SAMMI function. Evil. And whenever it times out, the eye patch should go away. The one stipulation is if I do exclamation mark convert eye patch again, the eye patch will just immediately go away. It toggles it. Okay. So I don't have functions. I wonder if I could theoretically. Because right now I have a case. There's a second eye patch guy who's red. Oh no, they're multiplying. Oh, I don't want to refactor my code. At least not on stream. That's also the problem if I would have to set every expression to be. Wait, actually, I want to see something. Does this still work? It does not work if I do not use the correct capitalization. I'd have to change every one of my expressions to be lowercase. Oh, that sounds like fun. Actually, I want to test to see if I can do that. Expressions. If I do this right now, I don't think it would immediately change it. Yeah, it doesn't immediately change it. But if I restarted Vtube Studio, it'd change it. I'm gonna have to fix that later. Actually, let's just change it back to its original capitalization. It's good for me to figure out any possible different hairstyle convert things, because when I move to a personalized model, I won't have all these different customization options to mess with. And to have more options, I'd have to have them implemented in the model or scuffed add later. Scuffed add as items above it. Okay, I need to make an expression. Also doesn't work because if I'm using, I could use the hotkey instead. Right, doesn't the hotkey toggle it? The expression. Set/unset expression. Can I specifically set an expression? Why? I hate Vtube Studio sometimes. Are you toggling? I'm toggling. Have you played Disco Elysium? No, Elysium? I have not. Ugh. Why? Why? I could make two different sections, one for things that are hotkeys and things that are, I don't know. I mean, technically, no, it actually wouldn't work, because if doing convert blue again here toggles it off, so I did convert green and then do a convert blue, this would not change it if I did it like that, which is an issue. Oh, this is annoying. The fact that I can do convert blue and I know it's gonna go over on top of it no matter what is good, and I can't do that with expression with hotkeys. So I might have to stick mostly with hotkeys if I want to do what I'm thinking about. I'm going to do a test. We'll make the next expression. We're going to create the next expression. Symmetry, turn on eye symmetry to 0. And then right. We're doing a test. Oh, this is what it looks like when I'm making an expression, because it changes everything to default. Let's make the red eye thing. $30, 55, 210, 200, 200. That works. Okay, that's a good red eye. Evil red eye. Glued. I can't do anything about it. It's nothing I can do about it. Red eye. No capitalization. Save. Okay, that is the Chuny eye. Oh yeah, I still need to implement it first. Copy. That should convert red eye. I think I did everything. Okay, that works. Now we have convert red eye. Now I want to test something. Where is the wildcard 1? If I go down, I'm just testing. if this works, that means I can basically make this even easier to implement these things. Right now, every different expression is a new case. Ludo. Convert edit. Convert red eye. Now, if this works, dang, that does not work. Expression is given file name. Dang it. Is there no way to do that? Oh, why did they have to do it like this? Why can't you let me put variables inside things? Oh, wait a minute. No. I wasn't using the right... I wasn't using the right things. It's a $, not a... Wait. I was being stupid. How many such cases? So basically, if I surround something in a text box with /, $, and then $/ at the end, I can insert a variable instead of the exact text. So, now let me try that again. Yes! Wait, did I save it? Actually, I need to make sure I saved it. Oh. Okay, so, okay, that works. Good. I can, with this, I can make it so that this makes things so much better. I'm gonna have to do this off at later stream. Actually, no. I'm just gonna break everything and fix it real quick. So any toggle I want to be able to mess with, I need to make it so it's all lowercase. I'm gonna make it so that chat can literally toggle any expression on my model that has full lowercase letters. I'm also changing long hair to emo. If emo stops working, that was the reason, and I need to fix that. Keeping made outfit as not lowercase, so you can't use the convert command to make it toggle. It's actually a really cool thing to do that I can... But I need to check to see if the expression exists, because I don't want to make people... it to take points away if you don't use an expression that exists. You use an expression that doesn't exist. Try to use an expression that doesn't exist. Gray. Green. I think that's everything. Save that. Okay, now I need to actually restart Vtube Studio real quick. Close out of it. Open it back up. That also means I'm gonna have to authenticate with it. Get my authentication token. Request token and authenticate. Token's still valid, okay. Supposedly token is still valid. Alright, now I think that has broken nearly every one of my commands. Besides Red Eye, which is already future-proofed, slightly. Now I need to fix all of them. But instead of having a new case for every single possible one, all I have to do is I'm gonna show you a screenshot of what I have right now. And it broke everything. Yippee! So I could fix it. This is what my SAMMI program looks like. For example, this is just the code for convert red. It goes, okay, the case, if the case is red, why him eyes got them homophobia on Jackers? If case is red, if case is red, do the expression red, whatever, turn it off, turn it back on again to make sure it's on top. Then don't use this sound file because I actually use the sound file in a different place now. I don't need to do that anymore. Then get a timestamp of when I did this to know when several things like if it's a counter, which I might get rid of the counter system now, considering you can just immediately get rid of it. I don't know, maybe. Then I check ID convert button ID off. I set the ID for revert button off to false, so the button's technically on because it's button off variable is false. A little confusing. And then if time difference is less than 10, I make it I add to the counter count. That thing down there is basically keep track of if you like use the convert command on top of someone else like a bunch of times, what count it is at. Anyway, I have to do this. I've had to do this for every single convert. Anytime I have a new convert, it is a whole nother one of these cases. What I've done. Give me 1 second. Actually, we'll keep this small here for showing that off. I should have done this a long time ago because it makes it a lot easier to add these. I'm nearly making this. I add one text, a line of text, and it updates it. You know what's a convert one I completely forgot about? Gray. I forgot gray existed. Alright. So now what I have... Now what I have is this. Instead of this for every single expression, we just have a line, just another case. So now it goes, oh, is it red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta, black, white, or gray? We'll just insert whatever it is as the wild card into the expression, into the variable here, and it should work. So, did I save? I've saved now. Now, if I do convert green, it just works. It just works. All I have to do is add another case. All I have to do is add another case now. That makes things a lot easier. I forgot gray was existed here. It's kind of creepy. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? I love when the code comes together. So it just works, Todd Howard. No. It just works means, Oh, I forgot to change something. Why did you do that again? Red Eye, okay, Red Eye is not one of this list. Basically, the only things on this list work right now, besides eye patch. The things that work on this list... Oh. Dang it. No, it's fine. So the only things work on the list works is the cases here, eye patch, and red eye. Oh my gosh. I love this. I hate refactoring my code, but as soon as it starts working again, I love it. Adding orange, adding pink. Adding leaf. Adding racist. I also can order these a lot easier, probably. No, technically actually not as easy. Honestly, what I'd probably do is I'd probably do the thing inexperienced VTubers do where they get like way too many toggles and never use them, but get way too many toggles and make it so that chat can use them. The only stipulation with this is the chat thing you type in has to be the same name as the expression, but that's not really a problem. That's still not a command, Lynn. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I want to show you my code now. Look at that. Look at that. What used to be case statement after case statement after case statement after case statement with nigh identical code is now one case with a bunch of different possible answers. Wowee. Wowee. Now it's just one. It's all. And if I want to add another thing to that, I just have to add another little. I press that little plus icon to the right of case statement. I type in whatever the command is, and then it goes in. As long as it's not a hotkey. For example, iPatch is a hotkey and works differently.
Hello.
Hi, Carl.
Hello.
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 We'll beat you to death with a brick. What kind of expression? What kind of new expression toggle thing should I add?
Oh.
You're useless to me.
Damn.
I'll be honest. None of that stuff you had up made sense to me. I'm too old, I think. Well, I probably just went over it too quickly.
Oh, you should make a Momiji one.
How would I make a Momiji one?
Oh. Just do it.
I don't know how to
Smart,
make a
right?
Momiji one.
You're smart, right? Just do it. It's not hard.
The only thing that comes to mind I would change is add the little funny hat on. Okay, I have
You gotta have a sword and shield too.
sword and shield. Das
Yeah.
sword and shield. I mean, I could make that an item group toggle thingy. Also, one problem I have with the item group toggles, if I have a bunch of them, someone's gonna be able to just toggle every single one of them. There's gonna be so much visual clutter. And I need to be careful where I hook them up to, because if I hook them up to the hair and the hair changes, it stops tracking.
Oh.
Oh.
Well,
You like my background?
oh, you got a background.
I just have this up for the stream because I thought I needed something more interesting to look at than the void.
Very cyan.
Very cyan. Well, you want me to change it to a different
Make it neon pink.
I think I could technically do that. I think with a filter, I can literally just go color correction, Q shift. Whoa. Okay, my eyes! My eyes!
Perfect. Now you really stand up.
Okay, no, I'm going back.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Made you pop out more. Made everyone. It would make people want to look at you because you're not eye-piercingly pink.
Hey, Doom Store. Okay, actually, I'm gonna undo that. I think that might have been a lower size image. I'm messing around with toggles. I also just refactored a little bit of code. You see how this is a whole case statement. You know what a case statement is, right?
No,
You don't know what a case statement is?
I don't.
I was talking to Doomstore, but you do any code thing? You know what an if else, you know what an if statement is, right?
I know Yandere Simulator has a lot of those.
I think it was like way too many. Was it way too many if else's or me no code? Okay, basically you have a variable. You know what a variable is, right?
No.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Danny.
Okay, so imagine a box. And we have different types of boxes. We have strings, which are boxes where you put words and letters in. So any string of letters can go in the string box, right? You got it?
Huh?
No. Were you sleeping? No. So we have the string box. That is a type of variable. We can put any length of any like bunch of strings in it. String of letters. Wake up! So I could put dog or fox in it. And then there's also stuff like integers, which is like 1, 2, or 3, or 125. Now stop sleeping!
Look at it, Co's really boring.
What? Did you say calculus? I thought you said calculus. No one puts edit in the corner box. Okay, so you have a variable, it can equal something. Let's just be very generalized and say it could mean a list of letters, it could be a number of some sort.
Uh-huh.
And then an if else or an if statement can go, if this variable is this value or more or less of this value. For example, a number, if your variable equals 100. What was that?
Huh?
You weren't dozing off, were you?
What? No. I'm not.
Stop it! Alright, so like if it equals 100, an if statement checking, is this greater than 10? Yeah, it would be, and it would run the if statement. It would run any code inside of there. If it's not, it would run the else statement if you have an else statement. A case statement is basically, give me this variable, I will now check to see if it equals this, or this, or this. It basically it takes a variable and checks to see a bunch of different cases where the variable could be something. Example, look at the stream, Calhoun. You see how it says, in this image box here, it says, case statement red. If the variable equals red, if someone types into the chat, convert red, it checks, it grabs the word red there because the variable, I'm basically grabbing the word they put at the end there as a variable, which is a wild card in this, but I then check to see if that variable is red. If it's red, I run this code. If it's not, I do not run this code and I check another case, right?
Yeah.
All right. And what I have been doing is basically setting, set the Vtube Studio expression to off and then on again. So it's turning it off and on again, so it's on the front of it. Vtube Studio is a little weird. But if you have like multiple expressions on, you turn one off and then turn it back on, it will be on top of the list, so it will overwrite anything that's below it. If I turn on blue, for example, convert blue. This now, even if it was on earlier, it turns it off and turns it back on again, putting on top of the stack. It doesn't matter that I have the edit like default expression that has yellow eyes. It doesn't matter that I have the red one underneath it that has red eyes. Doesn't matter that I have the red eye expression that makes one of them red. This goes on top of all of that. It changes all of it. Actually, I don't have the. No. What if you put multiple? What do you mean by that? multiple cases, convert. No, that doesn't work because I believe wildcard 1 is taking basically all of that. So it's trying to find a case for this. And there's no case for leaf red eye patch. Either that, or I have something checking to see if there's more than one wildcard. Oh wait, no. For this specifically, my command only checks convert star. My command only checks this. So it will only run if you type in !convert space something. If you add another space and then another something, it ignores it because that is not within its bounds. If I did have that as a thing, it would not work correctly though. And I believe with wildcard, if you have more than one variable, it just keeps going like wildcard 1 equals red and wildcard 2 equals, oh wait, no, not red. In this case, it would equal leaf. Wildcard 2 would equal red eye patch. So I don't think I would really be able to do much with that. It would be kind of a pain. Well, I could do stuff with that, but it'd be a pain, and also I kind of like it that people can do one at a time. Unless I made it so that they can do a ton at a time, and it would take all the points considering. Which is a possibility. Maybe. Anyway, I've now changed, because I had to make a new, Colin, I had to make a new one of these case statements every different version. So there's, if I go down here, you can see, wow, there's basically the same code for green. That's not good. I have now made it, Colin, you still there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've now made it so that it checks what the wildcard is, or it just kind of slides the wildcard in as a variable itself into the area where it sets the expression. So it doesn't, I don't have to like manually put it in. And now if it is red, if it's green, if it's blue, it's yellow, if it's any of these, it runs the command and then just slots the wildcard, the variable, in there. So whatever the variable says, it tries to find an expression of that. Well, it doesn't really try to find an expression, more it tries to use an expression of that name. If there's no expression of that name, it just would give an error. Basically, instead of having over 10 of those case blocks, I only have one of them. It's so much nicer. Actually, you know what I can do? I can go in there. I've now added another case for the slime thing. I don't know if this one's fully functional. Convert slime. Yeah, it's a little weird. Wait, if I convert back, it looks a little weird. I think this is why I never set this one to show, because it just looks weird when it goes between it. Look at me, Callahan, I'm made of slime.
Why are you blue?
Why are you blue? What do you mean, why am I blue? Oh, whoops. It changes the hair color, the hair shapes. It's so silly looking. Convert blue. I can also do convert blue and change the eyes. Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny?
Wanna know what is funny?
What?
Your face.
I think
I'm
it's.
sorry.
Oh, I think it's funny that it doesn't change the color of the hair fluff. Convert, edit, convert, slime, convert, leaf. The convoy thing seems so silly to me. It also changes the color of the eyelashes? I did not realize that. Interesting. I could actually make an expression that makes my character have green skin.
Edit.glorp? I can't believe
Edit.glorp? Edit.glorp?
Oh, and I have a thing something.
What?
Also, I sent you a thing.
Kinda quiet. Just a second. Talk again? Okay, that's good enough.
You should look at our Discord.
Okay. You should look at our Discord. It sounds like you're saying that, like, you should check out on our baby. What? Yandere Sim. Sorry, no, the other one. Doki Doki Literature. Glorp.
Glorpsuki.
Glorpsuki. Alright, I'm
also
going...
the thing above it.
The thing above it? I'm going to add another expression. What was I gonna add as expression? Oh yeah. Settings. Now that I have that, now it's easier to add the expressions. Create new expression. Here.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Wow, I didn't know you had a bra on this whole time.
No, this is...
And panties.
Which one of these is 0 years? I think it's this one. Actually... This is because default, the model's default female, so I do body type and swap it over to male, which I have adjusted a lot. I've changed this one a lot. Oops, I create new expression. Ear, turn ear to 0. Animal ear. Now we can make a expression. Calon, there's actually... I think one of the expressions Bunny. 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 Should I change the bunny?
Bunny.
Bunny. It's 2 U's, right? Bunny.
E-N-U-Y, yeah.
E-N-U-U-I, okay. Yeah, I'm just throw them a curveball. It's not a bunny, it's Benoy.
Really?
And nice. I actually don't. I've realized I don't need to make a bunch of expressions for these. I literally just need to have. Well, I don't have. I can make the expression. I don't need to make any of the hotkeys. I've had so many hotkeys here. I do not need to make them. Noi.
Hey, why did you get to 500 subs?
Oh, did you see the short I posted? I got the 500 subs today.
Oh.
I got a screenshot of me getting 500 subs. I wonder, while I'm streaming, can I, like, try to apply for that thing now?
This seems like babe.
I mean, I'm gonna do it, but yeah.
But edit, I thought you were a cat.
Colin, I'm gonna have to, like, grab your head firmly and just twist. Twist it! Give it all a twist! Oh, sure got a little bit of a bump.
Well, Tommy, it's actually 497.
497. Where do I have my chat? Now 500 more dog food. You'll get an email in like 24 to 48 hours saying congrats on partner. Click the thing to set up. Okay, so I just have to wait for it to say that?
Eventually.
Or do I click apply now? Because it shows the apply now thing.
I just realized the background for the thumbnail is a bunch of U's.
Yeah. It makes sense for the whole. Some better. It's May. Was it Elizabeth?
Nah.
Yeah, it just has a big apply now button instead of the thing where it says eligibility.
It has a huge apply now that
Huge apply
looks like
now, not
that looks like one of those
Punjabi free.
one of those ads in on like a piracy site. It's just like one of those big download ads that definitely doesn't give you a virus.
Yeah, this is right. I should probably press that button. I feel like I should press that button.
Should you press that button?
Should I press that button?
Should he
press that button?
Should he press the button?
Well, since it's there, click it. Apply now. Review base terms. Ah, there's so many. I scrolled to the bottom. Where's the TLDR? Only short, you hit 500 subs. You were like at yeah it's a short saying I'm gonna eat dog food if I get to 1,000 subs within the by the end of the month. That gets you subscribers. Not exactly like watching. It doesn't really equate to viewers on stream.
Why did you post it yesterday? Why not like at the beginning of next month?
I don't want to give him that much time.
Oh. Yeah, fair point.
Okay, so main goal, I wanted to get to the first milestone thing. Rigged. No, it's called a challenge. It's called a challenge. It's called a speed run. Call me a hardcore gooner because I really do be masturbating. To be fair, you're sitting at 13 viewers on stream about messing with your model. That's progress. Oh no, I'm not. Yeah, to be fair, I probably have more viewers than average for subscribers because how I've grown. Partly due to friend group, circle group, or whatever. Friend group. That's a huge part of that. Honestly, I think I still, like, a big chunk of those subscribers was when I made that one amazing digital circus edit, you, me, gas station thing. I don't like to think about it.
You, me, gas station.
What are we getting? Sushi, of course. Then again, I feel like it was more of a, I still love that video. Yeah, I think the regret on that was more of a hindsight 2020 of, oh yeah, the audience around this is gonna be the audience around this is now terrible, and the various lore videos.
The audience for that show is 10-year-olds. I forgot.
It's like, oh man, it'd be kind of cool to like play Deltarune on stream.
Oh man.
So
man, when I was younger, Deltarune sure was fun. Oh, I'll stream it. All right.
Oh no.
Still played it though.
I'm thinking like, how do I just filter the children as they come in? Picture of a lolly in the corner, job application in the other corner. You know what went through my mind? Bad apple, but it's like chroma keyed to a job application. I should totally post that. Yeah, it's kind of sucks. I kind of call it like it's like the Tumblr the Tumblr audience kind of problem. If you think it would attract people on Tumblr, it's gonna attract children because that's synonymous. Though does Tumblr even exist anymore? They don't use it anymore.
So Tumblr still exists,
but a husk of its former self because they got rid of the porn.
And then all the weird people left. So vaguely better. I don't know. I think they've gone down. I don't fucking know. Edit.
Yeah.
They just kind of silent.
Oh no, I have to read these base terms for the YouTube monetization stuff. Okay. Sign up for AdSense on YouTube. Create a new AdSense for YouTube account or connect to an existing account to your channel. You need an AdSense for YouTube account to monetize and get paid. Isn't the first monetization like memberships?
I think.
It was AdSense like more than just Tumblr is basically dead since they banned, yeah. Next one gives you access to ads and beta features. Yeah. For a streamer, it's basically not that important. It looks like... So I technically don't need to do the AdSense yet until I do the second monetization. I'll do that later. Well, no. Gosh dang it. I'll do that. I'll still do it later. I don't want to have to do that on stream.
Yeah,
AdSense is the name of the payment thing run by Google. Okay. What are you saying, Colin?
I should make a PayPal at some point.
Yeah, I need to set up my business PayPal. Not be doxxed, but I... Bunny ears, bunny ears.
Funly.
Annoy. It's called AdSense, but it processes all super chats, memberships, etc. Oh, okay, I see. I swear, just a second, I swear one of these preset things, if I do this, let me just convert, there's a bunch of presets on,
What?
yeah, there's a bunch of presets on for this model thing. There's some overlap, ignore that. Actually, okay. If I'm gonna show off these presets, give me one second. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh yeah, maybe this just works out better. This one, this one. This one, this one. I think it's the last one. No. I swear one of them was an alien thing. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's because I changed some settings. Anyway. Expression editor, new expression, here, get rid of human ears, animal ear, seem to have had some things. What was the name of the alien thing?
Glorp.
Just Glorp. Glorp.
Edit, you gotta be green too.
Yeah, no, I have to. Sorry, I'm saving it and going back into the expression. Because some things are going over it. Also, the problem with skin tone is gonna go through all of this just to get to green. That good? Let's go down by one. That's there, I think that's better.
You gotta change the color of your mouth.
Yeah, no, I can change the color of the mouth. Weird timing to walk into. Yeah, I'm making a glorp toggle. About to glorp.
Is it edit.exe or edit.glorp or glorp.exe? Which one is it?
That works. That color works for this.
You gotta make your eyes black.
Change the eyes to black?
Yeah.
Okay, show. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. So I need to change the brow color. 50. It'll be the same as the mouth color. Just gleeping and glorping, nothing too strange.
I'm gonna tell you one of my favorite quotes from one of my friends.
Sure.
Well, you were throbbing and leaking.
I don't actually know. I take back. I don't want to hear it.
What? What's wrong with the quote? It's entirely normal.
I don't like the quote. Please don't say that ever again.
Not even the light cigarette part? I don't like that part.
I completely, my mind blanked out there.
You just heard while you were throbbing and leaking.
Yeah, I literally. Sorry, I don't think this is gonna work out. I'm gonna have to ask you to. Actually. Does 200 work? I think. Actually. I think I'm gonna have to let you go.
Huh?
I'm gonna have to let you go.
What?
We're doing some pay cuts. We're letting.
You weren't paying me to begin with.
Yeah. Why are you glorp? Because I'm making toggles, Twitchy.
Hey, look, a bug.
Okay. Okay, I want a drink, but I don't know what to get. So 1 or 2?
3.
3. Nikki.exe. I mean, it doesn't really matter if I change the body type thing. This is what the body type I use. Doesn't really matter for this. Because it automatically gets...
Oh man, I'm a very convenient sensor.
What?
I'm a very convenient sensor.
Oh gosh, it makes it look worse. It made it look way worse. Made me look like a Twitch stream.
Oh God.
Oh no. Okay. I guess I could change the hair color now. Darker green. I get it. Do I have it? Should I have a specific hairstyle, or should I just have it so it's overwritten by anything else? Where is hair color? $80. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do for 2 because I'm independent. Sure.
One of my friends found a video called "Alien Toxic Relationship ASMR," and when she was explaining it, I was thinking the whole time it was just normal ASMR but with the filter. But no, it's probably funnier than that. Well, less funny, but it's still funny.
Actually, I need to check something.
It's just...
Gosh, this is gonna look weird. I need to make it so that the animal ear hair color matches. Let's start out with this. So it needs to be a bit darker, so 210, 130, 130, no, 110, 110, 19. There we go, that works. But we're not doing these ears, we're doing these ears. I just wanted to make sure the colors are right. Normie and chat kill. Beat to death with a brick? You agree?
Have him unmade!
Have him unmade! Judgment. Ultra kill. Alright. I think this works. It's possible to have a normie in edits chat. I hope not. Okay, every time I don't know, every time I swap back, I get out of the expressions, more and more things, more and more toggles are just vomited on top of each other.
No, this is a really weird redesign.
Yeah. I'm just gonna click that. That's...
Why are you blue?
Why are you blue? Alright. Back in a moment. Alright, now... Oh, wait. Silly me. I need to check. I need to go over here. Not that. Convert. Oh, it's so nice just adding another... Glorp. Glorp's gonna be so happy to see. Actually, I did one... Okay. Someone try the convert glorp command. I'm actually... I'm curious about something. Okay, that is the spelling I was thinking about. It makes it look really weird.
Why is the towel some green?
Sorry, guys. The hair dye leaked through. I love blue. Okay, that's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. I do like how that combos. Hey.
Oh, now you're not alien anymore.
Yeah. I'm thinking the
Barely
convert
alien.
blue just does not fit with the... it does not fit with the slime one. It's just a different kind of blue, you know? Right. Cyan. Convert cyan. You ruined it! I did... Oh, I was actually hit. Wait, convert... Lorp. Oh. Cyan. Convert cyan. Faker. Convert black. Convert glorp. This is so wacky. At this point, I'm just gonna have, okay, the eyebrows I see are not the right color, but that doesn't matter. Okay, glorp resets the eyes. Glorp resets the eyes. Well, I mean, if I do exclamation mark glorp again, it's gonna go back to the glorp eyes. Is it easy being green? No, it's really tough. It takes a lot out of me. Oh, that's funny. Should I? Should I make it so that the color converts overwrite a single color thing? What?
Punished glorp.
Punished glorp. What is... Alien toxic relation of ASMR kissing fighting scene pregnancy. Convert watermelon. That's not an option, but I see what you're saying. Actually, when wouldn't. I can't turn off the one red eye thing. Nothing fixes that. Should I make it so that when you do a convert, so like convert blue, it turns it off? Actually, do you know what I could do? I just thought of something stupid. You should make a convert Boy Scout for when you play Peak. I don't have any outfit for that. Wait just a second. I need to do expression. Symmetry.
Edit. Can you make a convert wriggle? Smile. Big grin. Please.
Okay. Wriggle?
Yeah.
Wriggle Nightbug.
Wriggle Nightbug.
Okay, so I've made a new convert command.
What?
Oh wait, I didn't save. I didn't save it, so it didn't go through. Okay, there we go. Do you like my new convert command? Now you can undo it if needed. Okay, that wouldn't work as a. Oh, my tracking stopped. My tracking stopped. Oh goodness, my tracking stopped. I'm a BRB. She in a bit. I can't do a convert yes homo one because it needs to have some color it's going to. Technically, it's just gonna go do red eye again because nothing else has that.
You know what yes homo should do?
What?
Give you a cowboy hat.
Cowboy 50.
15 naked cowboys.
Oh no, now I'm a racist lord.
Nope.
He's a slime glorp. This is so silly.
The master glorp, if you will.
What?
The master glorp, if you will.
The master lore? What?
Master glorp.
The master glorp. And now it has weird eyebrows. The different eyebrows for the leaf one.
I barely even see them.
Right. Invert leaf. Wait, I did it the wrong way. This way. Oh. I think it's just funny how it affects it differently depending on how you stack them. I will say it would be a lot less trouble for me to add some more convert commands, more generic stuff like colors and stuff now. And you can't even say my name.
My name.
Has a memory gone?
Are you feeling numb?
Or have I become invisible?
I don't know why.
Doesn't matter how hard you try.
Keep
that in mind by this rhyme, due time.
All I know.
Time is a valuable thing.
Watch it fly by as a pendulum swings. Watch it count down. Up! Why do you have like a magical girl transformation when you go in the maid outfit?
Because I thought it would be funny. I've yet to add a sound effect for it yet, but I'm still looking. Do you want a link to the 17-hour plus Metal Gear Solid lore breakdown? I probably should watch that.
How long?
17-hour plus. Wait, I have an idea. Convert, or convert, white. Kalhan inverted glorp. Staring into your soul. The forbidden one. I mean, so since it's easier to add the commands, it wouldn't be too hard for me to add just a glorp eyes thing that just sets the eyes to what it would be on the glorp. You know?
Yeah,
That's my sleep paralysis demon. What?
Do you have any secret converts?
No, there was the slime one. It was kind of one, but it wasn't usable. Should I add some secret converts?
Yeah.
Like what?
You want the wiggle?
A wiggle? Wiggle Nightbug?
Wiggle Nightbug.
Okay, show me Wriggle Nightbug, and I'll see if I can make a Wriggle Nightbug.
The Wriggle Nightbug.
The Wriggle Nightbug. I also need to set up the light toggle thingy again. You need to send me a picture of the Wriggle Nightbug right now. Right now. Right now.
Okay.
I don't think that really helps me too much. I feel like that's a little off model.
What do you mean? This is very much on model.
I'm looking at it right now.
This is a very on model version of Wriggle. No, it's really on model, I swear.
It's really on model. Expression under new expression.
Here's the real official image. It's very on model.
That's not on model.
That is totally on model.
Why are the antenna like 10 times the height?
Very on model.
Here,
One thing I've noticed about
one thing. I don't know why. What?
Whenever people draw that version of Wriggle, they usually make the antenna shorter.
Usually make damn antenna shorter. Would this technically be the closest thing I got for that?
Huh?
Oh, this. These are more mob.
I guess.
Yeah, because this is no. This is more like. Gosh dang it! Why does it keep doing this when I'm Wriggle? Save that. Oh my gosh! Expressions. Select it again. I swear I'm just gonna I'm half tempted to just send you the model thing this so you can figure out how to make Wriggle Nightbug and send it back to me. This is something I'm gonna have to finish later. No, this is just me making a convert right now. No head. No head. Like, would it just be the flat? Could be this.
I like this one.
Which one?
Huh? Oh, just
Wait.
wriggle.
You want me to make Wriggle Nightbug and you refuse to send me Wriggle Nightbug.
I'm sending you Wriggle Nightbug.
That is not.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That is not Wriggle Nightbug. That is
It's
not Wriggle
Nightbug.
Nightbug right there.
It's my wife. It's
Why does it have
Wriggle
green
Nightbug.
hair?
Wriggle has green hair.
Turquoise. I'm looking at the image, and it's turquoise.
It's green. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's turquoise. It's turquoise. I checked. It's turquoise.
Everyone shows is green. That's not Wriggle. Let's talk the other. Everyone shows is green. All right. I don't know what you're talking about.
I looked at the wiki. That's Wriggle right
Everyone
there.
depicts her with green hair. All right.
Maybe they're just wrong. Oh yeah. Gosh dang it. Why am I in the middle of the screen again? How do how do I even do this? I've had one success at making hair look like a character. It was for my own customization. And that was the last time I've had success on that. Can we get bald at it? No.
I really like the thumbnail on this one.
What? What are you showing me now? This be better? Go on. Trying to figure out which one of these is more accurate.
Smaller one.
Smaller one, alright. So like that? Ah, it's just a... Wait. There's an option here. Hair side flip. No, that doesn't matter. says blank.
And here's some actual art from an official artist
Wow.
official artist that was in Zoom, but Zoom hired
Wow.
because he can't draw for shit sometimes, mostly.
Wow.
Wap.
Wow.
Wow.
I don't know if I can make Wriggle Nightbug. I'm tired, boss.
Well, stop being tired then.
I'm tired of being tired, boss.
Then stop being tired.
I can't, boss.
Why?
Because that's not how it physically works, boss. I think that works. What do you think about the hair?
Should be less blue.
I'm basing it based off of this thing. Oh, I did something wrong. Oh. Basing it off of this. I mean, I can be slightly agreeable and do this instead. Actually, it's too bright now. 50, 10. So wait, so is he grooming Edit to be his wife or something? Callahan, you have some explaining to do.
What?
Well, you have some explaining to do.
Huh?
Okay.
I mean, there'd have to be a lot more changes.
There's gonna be a lot more changes around here. There's gonna be a lot of changes around here.
I mean, I sent you.
Look at this.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, I can actually see your eyebrows. Never mind.
What do you mean by that?
You look concerned.
Okay. What did you send me?
Really do that. Huh?
You send me some?
I mean, if you want me to send you some, I will.
You will. You will.
Yeah, let me find it. There it is. I'll be nice.
I'll be now. I don't think that's on model.
Yeah, that's solely on model.
I don't think that's on model. Her
That's
boobs
solely
are
on
not
model.
that big.
No, they are.
Her butt is not that big.
It is.
I don't think
On
so.
another note, the person who drew that, they draw a lot of CBT with Wriggle. I don't know why.
Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Alright, it needs to have a bit of red in it. What would you describe that color for the ears? Crimson, grape.
Reddish brown.
Reddish brown.
I'm about to brown. What?
Oops, fine. Huh?
Alright, a hypothetical question.
Yeah.
There's bugs everywhere. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. They're in you. What do you do?
I rip my skin off.
They're in deeper.
Oh, I rip more off.
You already ripped your skin off. What are you ripping off now?
My bones, ripping out my bones.
What about your muscles?
That too, yeah. I check them between like the folds of the muscles. You hiding in here?
You are now a ghost.
Oh dang! How did
The bugs are still in you. What do you do now?
Ah! I hired the Ghostbusters. Okay. Now I save this. Oh no, actually I changed the animal ears back to this. Oh, come on, sprinkle knife. I need to change the eyes.
There you go. Put on a shirt, pants, and a cape.
And a cape. I don't have a cape option.
Well, make one. It's not hard, right?
No, then I have to make that a whole hotkey. Hotkeys are a pain. Hey, brother. Was it popular?
He does, yes.
Hold on. Huh?
He does it all the time.
Who does what all the time?
He's wearing one right now. Real life.
Oh. Gosh, now. Do you want to think about now?
What?
The Miku binder meme.
No. When are you gonna put on Miku binder?
I'm gonna kill myself first.
When are you gonna put on the Miku leggings?
Right before I kill myself? Make people wonder.
When are you just gonna become Miku?
Right now. Ah! Does that look good for the eyes?
Yeah.
I really eyeballed it. Is there anything else?
I'm gonna have a centipede snake its way into your esophagus.
Pupil color. There we go. Buzzer. I'm hungry. I want food. I hunger. I have a great hunger.
Eat the table.
I could eat the table.
It's full of nutrients and fiber.
Nutrients.
Edit, can you like bang your head against the wall so I can start working correctly?
No.
Damn.
What did... Why did they tell the orcs to eat the treants in Lord of the Rings?
Why?
For the nutrients. Oh, I think I have some nuts. What does that mean? Alright. I think I have hair. What? Tons of hair options. I need to make sure they're toggled. These nuts got him. I don't think that really... That doesn't work. Can't do this to me.
Do this. No.
You can't do this to me. You don't know how much I sacrificed. Okay, I think I'm done.
Wow,
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
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 See literally every single expression flash before your eyes. How does that work? Oh, I forgot. I didn't put it in the actual. I didn't put the one line of a text. That's not good. Let me save. Okay, convert. Okay, that's a little concerning.
What?
Look at the thing there. You see the problem, right?
Edit.
Yeah. Do you see the problem?
Edit.
What? Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so you look at this. You see the you see a pattern. So do you see the lack of pattern? You see the break in the pattern? There's no text box. There's no text box. I made more cases, but there's no text box. Pattern recognition. I guess I'm literally just gonna have to make a copy. If I do this, I will have a strongly worded message. Anyway, delete all of this. Wriggle. Save. Okay. Now it should work. I'm so hungry. The hunger is overtaking me. Okay, I see a few issues. Isn't Emu and H Protag the same? They're very similar, but they're not the same.
Emu.
Emo.
No, you said email.
No, he did.
You did. And I'm pretty sure I sent you this one before, but I'm certain you'll still appreciate it.
I don't think you've sent me that one before.
Do you appreciate it?
Not really. Oh, I see. Oop. Bangs. Length. If I. Oh, okay. I see the issue here. Okay. I think it's done now. There you go. Now if I do that. Look, it's regular neighbor. It's regular neighbor. It's regular neighbor. It's regular neighbor. Convert money. Oh wait.
Edit it.
It's regular neighbor with bunny ears.
Bouncy night fun? I don't fucking know.
It's a regular glorp bug.
Oh my
It's
god.
regular glorp bug. Come on, it's regular glorp bug.
Oh.
No.
Forgot to convert.
I forgot. Oh my gosh, it's regular slime bug.
It's Wriggle Six Bug.
It's racist bug.
Yup.
That's regular racist slime. That's not a command.
Convert what?
I can only imagine doing one thing. It would be changing the body type slider on this thing. That's the only thing I can imagine it doing.
You become so small, you're just imperceivable.
I just go.
Oh my god, he's my stream is very delayed.
Your stream is very delayed. I mean, you can literally just stream Vtube. Actually, stream my OBS. Oh, it's not delayed anymore.
Wow.
Wow! 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 What?
Me when I grab a baby.
Me when I. The hunger. The hunger.
Why did you eat her?
You tell me. Where'd Wriggle Knife go?
Fox boy with suspiciously wriggle-shaped throat. Oh no.
Oh, not the throat. Oh.
Is edit the throat gup.
I'm gonna kill myself. I'm going to kill myself.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna kill myself. It's murder suicide. You know what I could also add is on the convert things. Leva. Shouldn't this be shift number? It does not toggle these. I don't know why it doesn't toggle those. Convert Twitchy. I'm not making a Twitchy toggle.
Already one bug.
There's already one. There's not enough room for the two of them.
There can only be one bug.
There will be blood. Shed. The only way.
The man.
Not his head. The
The only one.
Left. And back the dragon thing.
Oh no, there will be blood.
Do that again. Also, I can.
What do you think of this Parsi?
Well, did you say car seat?
Parsi. Why do you bring up a drawing tablet?
No reason.
Edit.
What?
Why are you drawing that?
I don't know what time out.
Look at it. I know she's your favorite Toho, but like that's a little obscene.
Which one's my favorite? The one you sent me wasn't my favorite Toho.
On your drawing, so I assumed I was implying you're drawing them you having sex with
Oh, I
Luigi
see.
or something. I don't fucking know.
Got me. Draw her. Big boobies. And then my. Yeah. Me playing a comically large kitty.
It's just like Arby and the Cheetah.
Kitty.
Cat. I don't like how smooth it is.
I don't know, what do you mean how smooth this is? How it's moving like that?
So strange.
What's wrong?
Man, you really are the throat gup. His knees have shattered.
Me thinking about pulling out the tablet? No. Huh?
Oh.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Can you believe it, guys? Christmas.
Oh,
Just a week away.
Stop it. I'm so
Well, I guess it's 6 months, so it's not.
I'm so hungry I could eat a... I don't even know what...
I should have had a horse sound effect.
You just like...
That was
Also
awful.
good
Never
for
do that
gambling.
again.
Huh? What are you saying?
That was awful. Never do that sound again. It's not horse.
Oh, I wish the horse is here. Convert minor. I don't know what that's supposed to do. I could get like a mining hat. I hate adding the items as toggles. I hate them. I genuinely hate it because I can't. One, it's really annoying to have it locked to anything on this model. And two, I can't set it so that I can't turn it on, turn it off. I have to just toggle it. Convert horse. No. Come on, who should I kill next?
You should add a convert horse, but instead of making you look like a horse, it just replaces you with like a stock horse photo.
Yeah, just stock horse photo. It just makes a horse noise.
It just makes a horse noise, beats you for a second, and then it goes back. When are you adding that?
What?
When are you gonna add convert horse?
Okay, if it only happens for a... If it happens for shorter than 2 minutes or a different time than 2 minutes, I'd have to make it a whole different system. I don't want to do that. No, so, Colin, when you done do crack?
I don't wanna.
But all the cool kids are doing.
You're not cool.
I'm not doing crack. I'm doing fence.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Hmm? 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 Hmm?
Why are you Asian?
Making converts.
He made a wriggle one.
And you'll never be able to use it because you never chat in my chat. So you don't have any points.
Oh yeah, let's see how many points I have.
Yeah, let's see how many points you got.
I'm on the wrong
Brokey. See how many points you got, Brokey.
You don't have a job. You're the broke one here.
Yeah, but I have so many of the points in this in my own system.
Man, it's almost like you gave yourself a nigh infinite amount.
Yeah, no, I gave that because because I'm busy in chat and streamed instead of chat, you know.
Is that right?
Yeah. How many points you got? Ooh, small.
Small. It's gonna be in like the billions, isn't it?
Just a second. Can I have a redeem to take away someone else's points? Make it PvP. Does it like cost you? How many points does it cost you to take someone else's points?
Why not just gambling?
Why not gambling? Convert diamond. Yeah, I got a few points.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
No, I literally set it to even higher than before.
Fucking do it.
It was like 1,000 or so. No, it was like 10,000 or something.
Wait, how much do the converts cost again?
20. Maybe it's too cheap. You need to bump up the cost of convert commands.
It's gonna be slightly higher than what I have.
Yeah. It costs you 1,270.
If you do add the convert horse, can you make it the most expensive thing?
Funny. if I had convert horse.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, I saw it. Yeah, my points barely went down, and I was kind of spamming them. Yeah. Well, I also kind of like use the points command again. You see how many points you get like over time? If you use the points command thing. Like you talked just a second. You did the points a good bit ago. I want to show you like how fast you get points.
Okay, I thought for a second I didn't. You piece of shit.
What's wrong?
I didn't. You.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Lousy motherfucker.
I don't know what you're talking about. I think my system's working just as it's supposed to. Can I have 1 more billion points? I'll give you like I could give you like 5k. I could take away half your points.
Positives. Is that does that make I'm more in the negative, or
do you want me to invert your points right now?
Yeah.
Well, check your points right now before you ask me to invert your points.
It's
like he already has
them, and then you
nearly 8,000 points. Let's just give him an extra 10k. Even though he's not gonna even use these. He never uses
never
them.
here.
Hey Ed, can we get edit rate limited by running points? I don't think so. See, you have points again. You have points again.
Wow.
I uninverted it and like upped it a little bit. I should also make a system where it checks to it counts like how long in the time, like how Seki has it with the knowing how long they've watched for, basically equivalent wise. I should have that system too, just so I can have a basis. I don't think that Botrix link is right. I've not added custom command yet. Yeah, maybe not. I've not really used Botrix at all. Exclamation mark watch time. Yeah, I could actually make that as a command thing. Convert, edit, convert, wriggle, convert bunny, convert Benoy, convert glorp, convert, exclamation mark slime, exclamation mark, or convert slime, convert white, made, convert pink, convert leave, convert blue, convert cyan. There's so many things wrong with that message. Yeah? I should probably make a new toggle. I should go back and make another toggle. I made a good amount of toggles. Take a drag of my cigarette. I made a lot of toggles today. I make. My patch counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Converts fem salad. What is? It doesn't matter if you add the space. You can't do multiple commands at once.
I just realized I did slash, not well.
It's exclamation mark not slash.
Whoops.
You do that and then it makes a
Happy.
whirl.
Nothing changes. You just have the female body now.
Yeah, no. Gee, whirl. My balls!
My dick, no!
No!
I use that to aim. No.
Hey. Hello. Hello. I don't want to make more toggles. I don't want to make more toggles.
I can't take it anymore.
I can't take it anymore. I mean, what I could do is just make a bunch of small toggles. What color accent toggle should I make? I could literally make a toggle that changes the color of. I can make a strand of hair color. Actually, never mind. That won't work. Diamond. Make a convert command that makes me look like Seki. Not gonna do that. Yeah, I saw it.
Is it working?
No, it's just making me want to kill myself.
Damn it! Oh. Anyway, can you add this as one of the gifts?
Oh, one of the gifts for the gift command thing?
Yeah.
I feel like there would have to be a lot more of a, like, cut down and not end with a TikTok thing.
Yeah.
I could do that. Blue Chaos Emerald? You mean these Chaos Emeralds? I need to... I'm really lazy, so my honest reaction. Wait, I have something to fight back with. Just a second. And you scroll up really far. And you scroll up really far to find what I'm looking for. I don't think I'm ever finding this. Found it easily when I actually used searched using actually searched. Oh, Omiji. Look what I just sent you. I'm gonna head to sleep. Good night. Okay, anyway. What was I doing again? Oh yeah. Let me mess around. What was I doing? Oh yeah, let me mess around. GIF. Oh wow. I should make more of these things. Are they working anymore? Did I break them? Are they currently broken right now? I think they might be currently broken. Oh. Okay, it's partly broken. Wait, just a second. Let me... Is it something that I deleted that works on here? Oh, it does work here. I'm gonna work on these right now. What should I add for these? What should I add for these? Right now! Right now!
I will add
what?
Oh.
Oh. What?
Oh. Huh?
Okay, I'm just gonna... Where are you in... I need to remove you from the call right now.
What?
Just gonna put you right there.
Edit, you fuck.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. GIF redeems. GIF. I have no clue. I need to figure out ones that would be good.
I got one for you.
You got one for me? Sure. Hand it over. I don't think so. Do you have these on hand, or are you just looking through Toho?
No, I have them. I have them favorited.
Yo, I just looked up Toho and look at this. Look at this one.
Wow. You should add that one as it.
I don't even know what you're talking about at this point.
I'm on the brink.
I'm on the brink. Anyway, I got distracted.
I got distracted by all the pretty ladies.
All the pretty... You... How do I download this GIF?
Oh, I found it finally.
Open link.
Yeah, can you add this one?
Do I wanna?
Yeah.
Do I
Of
wanna?
course you do. Is something wrong with it?
I'm not sure anymore.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure I'm not sure anymore.
Are you certain?
Why is it saving the Glorp one as a MP4?
Yeah, it does.
That shouldn't be saved as an MP4. Why? It is clearly not an MP4.
Alright, Jam. Whenever I send you a GIF, assume I want you to add it as one of the redeems.
It's a still image. Okay, now I have to take the. I have to find some MP4 to GIF translator. Also, I can make a sound play at the same time. So that's another aspect of it.
Surely you know what should play on that one. Oh, you really gotta do that one too.
I don't think I wanna.
Why not?
I don't think I wanna.
Why not?
Oh wait, I do have GIF Sonic, even though this is not a. You like that one? You see that one? You saw it?
Yeah.
This has no sound to it. What would I name the mustard and ketchup one? I know where that one's going.
Alright, here's what you name the mustard ketchup one.
Yeah. Are you gonna send me something?
And I'm thinking of it.
Sauce.
Sauce. Yeah, do that.
Sauce. Okay. I think technically, right. As soon as I save it to that folder, I wasn't looking at my OBS. Did it go? I think I might have set it to something where it. No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does.
Vertaka.
Sauce. That's not. No, Ghost. That's not one. Ooh, ooh. Sauce. I will set this GIF thing up later to have custom durations. So some last longer than others based on how long the GIF is. Like I can just turn this on and it just stays there. Okay, I found. So I needed to find this so I could add a filter to this.
What a great GIF.
What a great GIF. What's wrong?
What is it even from?
I don't know. Drop shadow.
Someone in chat, please tell me where this is from.
Shadow. I know someone in chat knows a guy.
Alright, Noble knows where this GIF is from.
Noble knows.
Yeah.
Would like to see the Kabinki last the longest.
Kabinki?
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 Kabinki? Very good. Now this is actually readable. Over on top of the hair. I think you need to stop sending me gifts.
One more.
Also, what sound effect should I have accompany the sauce?
Just like a guy yelling whenever the guy getting sauce is on.
Yeah, I was thinking of some yell specifically. Alright, I just realized.
Alright, last one, I promise.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
You looking at it?
The FNAF one?
Yeah.
I'm looking at it. So
Man, you really like looking at it, huh?
do I use this? Oh, she's streaming Pickle. Oh, she's streaming Pickle. I feel like I've gotten to the end of the stream, and it should now go over to harass Hoshi. Harassing Hoshi sounds like a great
I was
idea.
thinking most.
I think I have worked. I think I have new work on systems in the actual SAMMI. I'm doing what? I don't know why it doesn't even matter how hard you try. It's up to you.
Okay, I gotta go. I got work and tomorrow.
Wait, watch this. Look at the stream thing.
Yeah. Oh my, I'm gonna get my head crushed between Edit's thighs.
No,
Oh!
just a second. I was gonna find his reactive. He said it! I was gonna find his reactive and slowly squish it to be really crushed. Alright, I think I've done a good bit. I've done a little too good. Oh, a little too much. I need to recalculate. Also, it's because Ghost is here. I'm not leaving. I'm leaving because Ghost is here. Specifically because Ghost is here, I'm leaving. You have some of it. I want to unsee. What? Some of it you want to unsee? What do you mean by that? Let me thank everyone that was here. Thank you for watching Warlord, thank you for watching Zam, thank you for watching Pascal, thank you for watching Danny Jake, thank you for watching Tommy, thank you for watching JPZ, thank you for watching Boss, thank you for watching Ashu, thank you for watching Tatters, thank you for watching Nicholas, thank you for watching Other Warlord, thank you for watching Analog, thank you for watching Cruz, thank you for watching Lynn, thank you for watching Doomsdoor, thank you for watching Danny, thank you for watching Super Iron Bob, thank you for watching Seki, thank you for watching Waffle, thank you for watching Twitchy, thank you for watching Rez, thank you for watching Callahan, thank you for watching and joining Callahan, thank you for watching Ghost. Good night, edit and chat. And it's Stinky running away from the soap I brought. Thanks for the stream, maybe I'll get squishier Sama. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Next stream is peak. Next stream is peak. Next stream is peak tomorrow. It actually is technically tomorrow, for me at least. Bye bye. What is peak? Peak. It's peak. You not know what peak is? Peak. I sent you. Anyway, I'm gonna end the stream now. Bye bye. Bye bye. See ya. Bye bye.